I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie, and we're Love Hut for Life. We've now been on the road for 129 weeks in our very unique home on wheels.
That's right, guys. This week we have been hanging out in northern Arizona, mostly in the Prescott National Forest, finding some absolutely beautiful camping spots and enjoying a little bit of alone time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure and comment below to let us know what you think. Guys, it is morning 894 on the road. We have been hanging out in this beautiful little camping spot in Peoria, Arizona for 2 weeks, converting a rig. This morning we have everything all cleaned up, ready to leave. No trash behind except for the improvements that we've made picking up all of the trash that was here. Time to hit the road. I should probably go catch that yellow house. Oh no, Dixie, did he try to leave me? Oh no! It's okay, baby, I'm coming. Not exactly our normal desert drives. Where are we going, Shane?
We're going to see some friends for Easter, and we're parking in suburbia. Watch out, HOA, here we come.
It'll only be for one night. I'm sure it'll be fine. Sorry, puppy. You're gonna have to stay inside for just a little bit.
We'll be back. We'll find the Easter bunny.
We are back on the road again after very, very much being spoiled over the last 24 hours. We are clean and very full and headed out to see if we can find a spot in the desert before the sun goes down, which means we are doing something we never do, and that is interstate travel. It's only going to be like 3 miles.
Originally, we have 3.1 miles to go. It saved us a lot of miles to take this 3 miles on the interstate. So that's what we're going to do.
Hopefully we'll make it to a nice quiet spot before sunset. While taking last night's sunset pictures, we became painfully aware that this otherwise gorgeous little spot that we're in is a shooting range.
It's not just this spot, it's this whole region, really. I'm not sure why it happens here, but there's target practicing debris like water bottles and cans and posters blown everywhere, and I mean millions and millions of shells everywhere you look. So it's just not a safe place to camp, but it was dark last night.
Right before we came inside, someone shot dangerously close to us, and we're just not comfortable having ourselves or Dixie running around here. So despite the beauty, I think it's time to pack up and go find somewhere else to be lazy for the day. And we appear to have gotten ourselves in a bit of a situation. Now, normally when we reach a point in the road that we can't go any further, we can just drive backwards, but this one has been a pretty rough one coming up, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing turned around. It's a pretty tight space, but I think we can handle it.
Success, and that's why we don't drive a school bus.
You know, coming back down this road, we maybe should have realized it was too rough a little sooner.
Oh yeah, this was the first 10 feet of it.
That was certainly a little more adventure than we intended on before 11 o'clock in the morning on a day that we plan to be very, very lazy. But I think we have found the perfect spot to make that happen. That is a very, very large campfire.
Campfire.
A very long ways away. We've been seeing the smoke from it all day, but those flames are really, really high and big. We should probably get online and see if we can find something about this. What you got there? It's still rather smoky out there.
Chips and tortillas. Yeah, no, there's several forest fires in Arizona right now. We can see one that's up towards Camp Verde, I believe is where I saw. So we'll have to keep an eye out for those.
Nice and safe inside though. We're hiding from the wind.
Very high winds.
This little spot in Mayer, Arizona has proven to be quite efficient at what we picked it for. We wanted to come up where it was a little bit cooler than it has been over the past couple of weeks and spend 2 days doing absolutely nothing, curled up inside together, and I think we definitely accomplished that. It is time to go get supplies though, and I think we're gonna shoot for a spot that has slightly less wind so that we can be outside and maybe accomplish some things. We got all of our supplies and found a new place to call home for a couple of days. I don't know if we'll be able to escape the wind because there's definitely some strong ones coming, but being in this little canyon might help. And we finally found some trees and a little bit of green life. Dixie's excited about the grass, and I am excited about this gorgeous view out my window. Yeah, I think this one's gonna be a good one. What you got?
Nothing. This rock has a quartz vein on it, so I found it compelling.
Of beating the wind did not work out so well, and we're going to have to wait for it to calm down a little bit before we can even think about getting up that hill. That time might come a little sooner than anticipated though, because I don't know if you guys can see all of that smoke right there, but that's a giant forest fire that might just be coming our way. For now, we are going to trust that the universe is taking care of us, keep a very close eye on our phones, and hope that we can hide in this little hill, or this little hole, while the rest of this windstorm comes through. It's a very, very steep hill. What do you think, Dixie? Can the left head handle it? behind us is getting very big and very close. We've been watching fire trucks come in and out all day, so it is definitely time for us to conquer that hill over there.
It's been taunting me for days now.
But guys, we did want to take the time to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been following us along this far. If you haven't already done so, be sure and hit that subscribe button and comment below so that we know who's watching and who to be grateful for.
If you want a different point of view for our life, check out Instagram and Facebook, both under Love Hut for Life. You can also direct message us there, or you can shoot us an email at lovehutforlife@gmail.com.
Peace out, guys. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.